Hey guys, happy Friday and welcome to Melinda's Homemaking Life. Today I have a fall all day clean with me video. The back part of my house is a wreck and I've got some laundry to do as well. So let's get started.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other.
Hey guys, I want to apologize about my sounding like a manly voice I got going on today. I'm catching this cold and the thing will not go away. So I apologize, my voice is so deep and cracky. But I'm so excited because today's video is a collaboration video. And it is hosted by Life as Brittany Vlogs and Simply Cassie B. I'm so excited to work with these ladies and get to know their channels better. They have great content and I'm sure that you're going to love them as well. I will have both of their channels referenced in my description box, as well as a playlist of tons of creators who have come together to give you all day clean with me videos as well. As we're approaching Thanksgiving and we're in the middle of fall, there's so much cleanup that we have to do as our holiday season is starting with Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. So sit back, relax, or grab a rag and start dusting and follow along with me.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference. Oh, you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
If this is your first time to Melinda's Homemaking Life, I'd like to welcome you and tell you a little bit about myself. I am an empty nester. I'm a mom of one bonus son. My husband and I have been married about 10 years, and I was happy to get to be a part of Tyler's life. Tyler is 24 years old. He has moved out now, so my husband and I are empty nesters. I started my YouTube journey 2 years ago during COVID with a cooking channel called Melinda's Messy Sink. So if you're looking for cooking content, would love to have you join me over there as well. And there was so much more that I wanted to share other than cooking. And so a couple of months ago, I decided to start a homemaking cleaning channel just for motivation for all kinds of different things that I'm going to do around my house. So again, welcome to my channel, and I hope to see you back again soon.
Take me in your arms, guide me through this storm. Feel your hand in mine. Everywhere
There's a couple things that I realized I forgot to tell you. As I'm watching cleaning my desk off, I'm sure you're probably wondering, what is she doing with all those monitors? I actually work from home. I have a full time job that I work from home, and I absolutely love my job. It is great. Those two monitors that you see on the sides, those are for my full time job. The large Mac monitor that you see, that is for all of my YouTube stuff. So I realized when I was looking at that, I was thinking, I bet you they wonder why I have all that stuff. The other thing that I forgot to tell you was I have two animals that you're going to see in my videos. I have a black lab named Abe, and I also have a kitty named Allie. So you'll probably be seeing them throughout my videos as well.
It's like a tune from long ago. So would you take me in your arms? Yeah. 'Cause now I'm coming home. I wish I could spend another day with you. I guess I have to let you go for now. I wish I could spend another day with you. I can feel you all the time until I meet you on the other side. You'll be with me all day and night.
You may be wondering why I'm laying those clothes over on those pillows. Those are my husband's clothes. We have an arrangement where I wash his clothes, I dry his clothes, and then he's responsible for putting his clothes away. I work, he works. We do not have any children left at home, so he's grown. He can put his own clothes away. There are times whenever those clothes make it to the dresser, but magically they reappear on his side of the bed the next day. So tell me, guys, what does your laundry routine look like? Do you take your laundry straight out of the dryer and put it away? Do you have your kids help you with that chore of laundry and putting things away? How does laundry work in your home?
Bright pads on bare legs, you're like Charlie, forcing cheap trick
finish up this bathroom, that's going to do it for today's fall all day clean with me. Thank you all so much for joining along. As a reminder, I have our hosts' channels listed in the description box below. Life as Brittany Vlogs and Simply Cassie B. Be sure to check out the playlist in the description box for tons of great fall clean with me content. Most importantly, don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you all in the next one.